In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add referral program to Wix website. By the end, you'll have a simple, effective referral flow that encourages your visitors to share your site and earn rewards. First, open the Wix editor. Sign in, head to your Wix dashboard, and open the site you want to work on. This takes you into the editor where you control your pages, design, and apps. Next, open the App Market. On the left sidebar, click Apps to bring up the marketplace. In the search bar, type referral program or affiliate program. This will surface tools designed specifically to track shares, generate unique links, and grant rewards automatically. From the results, choose a referral app that fits your needs. Popular options often include Smile, Loyalty and Rewards, Referral Candy, Growwave, and in some regions, Up Promote. Check the descriptions, pricing, and reviews to make sure the features match your goals, like whether you want store credits, cash rewards, or points, and whether you need member-only access. When you've picked your app, click Add to Site. Wix will install it for you and place the apps panel inside your editor or dashboard. Some apps add a starter widget to your pages so users can sign up or find their links right away. Now set up your referral rules. Define the reward type, such as a fixed discount, a percentage off, store credit, cash, or points. Keep rewards simple and enticing so people actually share. Set the referral link system so each participant gets a unique link and referrals are tracked accurately. Choose who can join, for example, all customers, site members, or specific groups, depending on how exclusive you want the program to be. Then customize the referral page design, match your branding, clarify how rewards work, and make the call to action obvious. Most apps let you edit copy, colors, and placement so the experience feels native to your site. Create a referral page or use the one generated by the app. Many tools automatically add a referral dashboard and a page where users can view their status and copy their link. In the editor, you can adjust layout and visibility so it's easy to find from your menu or footer. Finally, publish your website. Click Publish in the top right corner to push the changes live. Your referral program is now active, and visitors can invite friends and earn rewards. If you ever need to tweak rewards, eligibility, or design, return to the app settings inside Wix and update as needed.